You're saying this wrong, and it's making your English sound very basic. Let's fix that. Don't say, you are too much. Say, this is a bit much. Example, this is a bit much for me. Don't say, why are you angry? Say, what's bothering you? Example, what's bothering you? You can tell me. Don't say, stop talking. Say, let's talk one at a time. Example, let's talk one at a time, please. Don't say, relax. Say, take it easy. Example, take it easy, no need to worry. Don't say, don't shout. Say, could we speak calmly? Could we speak calmly, please?
Great, let's continue.
Don't say, stop it. Say, let's pause for a moment. Example, let's pause for a moment. Don't say, be quiet. Say, could you lower your voice? Could you lower your voice, please? Don't say you're wrong. Say, let's look at it differently. Example, let's look at it differently. Don't say, leave me alone. Say, I need a moment. I need a moment to think. Don't say that's stupid. Say, that may not be the best idea. Example, that may not be the best idea.
Great, let's continue.
Don't say, what is your problem? Say, what seems to be the issue? Example, what seems to be the issue? I'll help you. Don't say, I told you already. Say, as I mentioned earlier. Example, as I mentioned earlier, we need to finish this today. Don't say, you're annoying. Say, that's a bit distracting. Example, that's a bit distracting for me. Don't say, this is not good. Say, this could be improved. Example, this could be improved with some changes. Don't say, I don't think so. Say, I'm not sure about that. Example, I'm not sure about that, let's check.
Great, let's continue.
Don't say, fix this. Say, could you take a look at this? Example, could you take a look at this when you have time? Don't say, that's your mistake. Say, there might be a small error. Example, there might be a small error here. Don't say, you never listen. Say, maybe we're not on the same page. Example, maybe we're not on the same page. Let's clarify. Don't say, I'm tired of this. Say, this is getting a bit tiring. Example, this is getting a bit tiring for me. Don't say you are late. Say you're a bit late. Example, you're a bit late, we just started. If you start using these, your English will sound completely different. Subscribe to learn more.